Hello everyone! Today we are in beautiful GESÄUSE in Austria, and there is the HESSHÜTTE, and this is the goal of our hike. Did I just say that we're gonna go only to the Hütte? We will go a little bit higher. So we start this hike on this parking lot in Johnsbach. I will leave down in description all the informations about this hike, about this place, so it's easy to find it. Basically, right now you already know where we go, but we just know that we go to HESSHÜTTE, and then we decide later how we feel and how is our form, because we are not on the best form. We were a little bit sick, so I'm very happy for this forest because it's starting to be very hot. Cheers. It's so silent here, this is unbelievable. We are so hidden in the mountains, so you don't hear anything from civilization. So right now we are in the first third of this hike to the HESSHÜTTE. There is the crossing, and to the left is it to the HOCHZNDL, but we go to the right, and actually I was expecting that it will be much worse. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So we had a great break. Let's go farther. Wow, I didn't really expect that it will be so beautiful as it is. I'm using wide angle lens, so these mountains will appear in this video much smaller than they are actually. But it's really massive walls, huge peaks. Oh my god, look at this. This is for us first time what we are visiting GESÄUSE, and I have to definitely say we are coming back. It's from us, it's like from Salzburg is about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to drive. So we always prefer something closer until 1 hour, and there is enough beautiful hikes, but it's incredibly spectacular mountains. This landscape is, I didn't really expect. I saw a few beautiful photos, but alive, when you are here, this is unbelievable. The nature here is magical. Magical. Hello. This is the one which make white chocolate. Per geil? Prost. So I left there the girls to have a chilly afternoon, drink coffee, and I decided I will make it alone to the summit of Hochzinödl. Yeah, few meters left. We're almost there. I see the summit with the cross. Woohoo! So here we are on the summit of Hochzinödl. 2,191 meters above the sea level. Woohoo! Wow, what a beautiful hike. If you like this view behind me, hit the like button. It helps to spread this video in the world and grow my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is amazing. And it's absolute silence here. I'm totally alone. Since I started to hike from the hut, I didn't meet anyone. It's a little bit afternoon now, it's almost 4 o'clock. So in this time the people are mostly down, but it's such a wonderful atmosphere. It's silent. So I have such a good time here in Hochzinödl. Now I go back to pick up my ladies down in the hut. I will leave down in the description box all the important information about this hike. So who want to go this way, definitely check this. And in the end of this video I will leave map with this trail which we went, and also in description I will leave definitely the link to the trail, so I find a way how to share my trails. So down in description box you find link to complete trail from the valley until the summit. Clara, Papa survived.
Da ist er schon.
So now we are complete again, and we have about 2 hours of daylight and 2 hours to go, so we have to push it a little bit. It was a really beautiful hike, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you didn't already, and I'm looking forward to see you next time somewhere in the mountains. So we managed. We are back to car in Johnsbach. Happy, healthy, but pretty exhausted.